This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Irene Witt. Looking to escape the big city? Ellijay is a wonderful option. Nice building spot on this 3.28-acre lot loaded with hardwoods that currently has seasonal mountain views. Some vista pruning could restore the beautiful long-range views. Located in a quiet gated community with paved roads and underground utilities. Conveniently located to town as well as Ft. Mtn State Park, Bear Creek, Lake Conasauga and mountain biking enthusiasts are near the Pinhoti Trail. Ellijay offers a variety of coffee houses, taverns, eateries, shops and a large selection of local vineyards. You can find farm-to-table sources for beef, mushrooms and a farmer's market for fresh produce and arts/crafts.